Sup guys, today we are going to do the unboxing and the setup of the Xiaomi Wi-Fi Plus Wi-Fi extender. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this seal, the top. Hopefully you can open this. Okay, shit. One more cut. Okay, and then here it is. Damn. How do you open this? This is how it looks like. I think you can take out the cap here, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so yeah, this is the USB head to plug in to the computer ports. So yeah, okay, so basically to plug this into your USB port, then once you see a blinking light, okay, that's when we have to enable through the Xiaomi app. Thanks for watching guys, bye.